This is MBD TV.
Drive today, it is my pleasure to welcome the one and only Joey Resnick! Good. Welcome on the show. Thanks for joining us.
It's lekker to be here.
Hey! Nicely done, nicely done. Hoe gaan het, Joey? Are you well?
Yeah, can't complain. Everything is cool.
Got a brand new show, man.
Yes,
Mixed
yes.
DNA.
Yes, it's actually not brand new. It's a concept that I've been working on for long. But now I'm doing a nationwide tour.
Oh,
Yes, yes, yes.
Mixed DNA.
Yes.
It is what it is.
It is what it is. Yes, it's your DNA strands that's mixed.
Okay.
Yes, yeah, that explains a lot of things like my hair. It's like mixed DNA, my skin color and stuff. Yeah, so if you get married to a Japanese person, your child will be mixed DNA.
But don't you think most of us kind of...
Yeah,
know.
most of us.
Yeah.
Most people think that most of us is mixed DNA, but in like in South Africa and around the world actually, even in America, they want to classify people black, white, colored and stuff. So I'm colored apparently, but I'm mixed DNA. I'm more mixed DNA, I think.
Mixed DNA, that's the new word.
Yeah.
Did you watch some Olympics?
Yes, I was actually in London.
Really?
How do you like that for a tomato? I actually performed the moments before Chad Lacrosse won his gold medal.
Where?
In London at Queen Elizabeth Hall.
It's Queen Elizabeth Hall.
At Queen Elizabeth Hall. Smashing. 800 people in the audience. And there I was performing. And I said to them, look here, I'm going to apologize to you people because my friend Leclos, he's swimming now. And so if I don't do my entire time, I'm asking for your forgiveness up front. And when the time came, I made them sing Shosholoza and we went to go watch Chad Lacrosse beat Michael Phelps.
Awesome,
yes, it was awesome.
How was that moment?
Yeah,
who was in the audience?
Like 80% South Africans, like expats and people touring there and stuff. And John Smith.
Oh, really?
Yeah, he was in the audience and stuff.
And the other 20%
was like no foreign, mostly like mixed English, French.
Mixed DNA.
Yes, mixed DNA, absolutely.
And how did they receive you? I mean,
they loved. I was gonna go back this weekend, for the Paralympics, but I can't go because I'm doing mixed DNA.
You see.
Yeah.
Okay. So how do you know Chad?
I don't know him actually. He's my South African friend.
Okay, all right.
Like if you're in London, anybody that's South African is your bra. Yeah,
absolutely, yeah.
So we were singing Shosholoza and we went to go watch Chad Lacrosse beat Michael Phelps. You know how nice that was. Because in London, they say that we have crime and stuff. They stole the key to Wimbledon, the master key to Wimbledon. I promise you, they stole the key. How do you lose? They steal a key, bruh. Then the people couldn't get into the stadium to watch the tennis because the master key was gone.
And
then they say they say, dude, there's this thing called a crowbar.
Yeah.
You could have helped them.
Yeah.
Now, if that had happened here for the Soccer World Cup.
Yes. Dude, that's not the only thing. The seats in the archery stadium and beach volleyball broke because it wasn't welded properly and the nuts wasn't and so the people was falling. So our seats is still there. We had vuvuzelas and our seats is not breaking.
The people were jumping up and down.
And we were yesterday telling us we are third world country. So the Olympics was blazing.
Now listen, you also have a fantastic movie career up until this point.
Apparently. That's word on the street, eh?
No, seriously, from Faitjie sien sy gat to Bunny Chow, Material, you're in Material as well.
Yes. I hope to win an award for that, eh?
Is it?
Hoping.
Yeah.
You won an award before, Best Actor Award.
Yes, for Bunny Chow.
It was from Bunny Chow,
yeah.
Where was the award ceremony?
It was for the Three Continents Film Festival.
Very nice, dude.
That one was in Nantes. Because it's every year it goes from one continent to the other continent. So I was invited to the one in Nantes. In France. Nantes, yeah.
Okay.
And Nantes.
An actor, if you had to give something, if you had to choose, put a gun to your head and say comedy.
Comedy.
Or acting. Really?
comedy anytime, any day,
Seriously.
any day, bruh.
Is the acting different?
Yeah, acting is. You know the thing about acting is it's challenging and. You know what's a nice thing? It's like to play a different person. But in all my movies, I play I don't know. It's not like a different person. It's like it's like me.
It's like a typecast Joe. In
Yeah.
years from now, they will call the character the Joey Rasdeen character.
Yeah, they will. They will. Nah, I hope not. Eh?
Leonardo
'Cause
DiCaprio would be playing a Joey Rasdeen.
like a Peter Sellers.
That's it.
The Peter Sellers, yeah, the life.
It's like a genre, dude.
Yeah, I did Dollars and White Pipes though, where I played a retard.
Okay.
Yeah,
And that's
I was
way
like,
different.
yeah, that was a song.
Challenging, man.
One of the most typecast ones.
Oh, nonsense. You already noticed. Listen, I want to ask you about television. Are you a fan of TV? Did you grow up watching a lot of TV?
I watched lots of sports.
Okay.
I'm a sports guy. I'm a fan of sports. I watch lots of sports. I don't really watch other things besides sports and news.
Have you ever watched Comedy Central?
Now and again, it depends on who's on. I like Saturday Night Live,
Yeah.
and I like
You ever watched the roast?
Jon Stewart. I've got VIP tickets.
For what, the roasting of Steve Wolfman?
Yes, I've got VIP tickets. You wanna see?
No, no. But would you have liked to have roasted him?
No, I'll never. The thing about roasting is it's like personal, man. Come now, man. It's like you know back in the day when the Romans found entertainment in killing other people.
Yeah.
Our morals declined so much that we're finding it entertaining to roast other people.
To be nasty.
Yes. So, yeah, I wouldn't like being mine to be roasted. You can roast me, but it's not cool to. In just my opinion.
Yeah.
It's like it's got its fans. I saw Charlie Sheen being roasted. Come now.
Do you think it's an indecent proposal because they get offered a lot of money?
Yeah, the thing.
That's probably why.
It's the entertainment value. As I said, the Romans used to kill people with tigers.
That's
and
it.
people
Throw
found
them in the middle there.
Yes, and you know, then a gladiator comes out in it. So it's a form of entertainment. So it just shows you where the morals in society is right now that we find, and we get paid money for
Yeah, for being nasty. Now,
Yes.
listen, talking about someone who's often been criticised for moral decay on television, Jerry Springer. You did a bit of work with him when he
Yes.
was here for his TV show.
Yeah, we just wrote a couple of sketches, and that time I was still new in the business, eh? So John Vlismus recruited myself and Brandon Jack
That's
to
it.
jot down ideas and stuff. So yeah, and I think
Was
also
he a nice guy?
excellent guy. Jerry Springer. Oh man, he's very intelligent, very nice, very approachable. Yeah,
Do you think it was clever coming up with the Jerry Springer show?
I think there was a need for it. There was a need for it. Like people needed to vent their frustrations, and here's a guy that was a mayor of a town, and obviously he probably sat in his mayor's office, and people came into him and they vented, and he was like, this would be nice TV content, and then he started a show like that. So I'm sorry. So I guess there's a need. If there's a need for it, yeah.
Now, listen, you've got Mixie and A. It's happening from the 30th of August through until the.
It started before because everybody's a bit confused.
Okay.
So
Clear it up for us.
Yeah. So I did Mix DNA already.
Yeah.
I did it at the Gold Reef City.
Yes.
I did it at Gandhi Hall in Lenasia. I did it at Photo World in here. I'm doing Lodium, I think, and I did Baxter Theatre.
Yeah.
So I've done it before, and I did Zambia. And then that was the first leg of the tour. Now this is the second leg.
The second leg of the tour. We're
Yeah.
giving away tickets
Yes,
for one of the
yes,
nights.
Mixed
In
DNA,
actual fact,
yeah.
for the 30th.
Yes,
But now
Thursday.
you need to come up with a really, really awesome question.
Yeah, what type of question? Just any old question?
Yeah,
Or-
a question that's going to challenge people on Joey Rasdeen.
Oh, on me.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, think about it for a moment. I'll tell you
yes.
why. Because we've
Why?
got a section on the show called Joey's Favourites.
Yes.
Well, not every day, with a different interview,
Yes.
obviously.
Yeah. Oh, I thought these my favorites now. I can tell you that.
So A-Rod's going to take it away in our section called Joey's Favourites.
You're one of those people that make people laugh. Now, my
Yes.
question for you, what is your favorite joke? What makes you laugh?
Yeah, my son, eh?
Oh, really?
Yes, my son is funny. Eh? He's got gags. You say, you know, if you squander there and you get into a taxi, there's a chance that you'll send the money to the back. That's very funny.
Yeah. Your favorite junk food?
My favorite junk food is probably Bismillah in Fortsburg. Robinan, chicken tikka, chicken masala, yeah, chicken jalfrezi, yeah, those things.
Very
Yeah.
nice.
Yeah.
And a lot of comedians complain about stuff on stage.
Yes.
It's like the traffic or this or
Yes,
that.
yes.
What's your favorite thing to complain about?
I don't know, eh? Stupid questions. Yeah.
Yeah. They say there's not such thing as stupid questions, just stupid people asking them.
No, but you see the Chinese proverb goes, if you don't ask a stupid question, you will stay stupid. If you do ask it, you will stay stupid for a second.
Ooh. Your favorite comedian to watch?
Eddie Izzard.
Hey, outrageous.
Blazing.
Outrageous.
Yeah.
One more.
And I hear some of the parties in Bloom can be quite hectic.
Parties in Bloom is
What is your favorite party
Barabbas, Barabbas, my friend. Actually, Barabbas and in Stones, just across the road. Yeah. No, yeah, Bloom is a great city, brah. Yesterday, yeah. Actually, you know, just coming back to, you know, the Professor Janssen, and they made a big thing about those guys, with those guys who were being a bit of assholeish when they did that video and stuff. But if you want to look at how South African society has integrated, and if you want to look at how far we've come as a nation, go to Bloom, eh?
Really?
Really, bro. Really. You'll see. Because there it's like we respect each other's cultures. The white guy is still the white guy, the black guy is still a black guy, but it doesn't, there's no, it's like, it's a cool thing, because to each to their own, but we still integrated, if that makes sense. It's like if you have
Respect doesn't mean you have to try and be like someone.
Exactly, brah. Exactly. You're still proud of who you are, but
That's
you
it.
respect that person.
That's it.
And if we together, we actually make a better team. Like for instance, you can't have all defenders in a soccer team. You can't have all strikers in a soccer team. You have to have a midfielder, a striker,
That's it.
defender.
If this interview doesn't end in a group hug,
I tell you.
You guys are stale.
no, dude, it really was a great pleasure having you on the show, Joey. All the best with the rest of your tour.
Yeah.
I know you're hitting places like Pietermaritzburg.
Yes.
Our producer
Newcastle.
Duncan is from there,
Yeah.
and we've been warned.
Yeah.
We would like to warn you as well.
Yeah, I don't know. I've been to
Against-
Pietermaritzburg.
Is it?
already.
And you came off unscathed.
Yeah.
Yeah. And the dates.
Yeah, the dates, I don't really know. Let's just check on my phone quickly. I know this weekend coming up, that's Empress Palace, and then towards the end of the month, it's Newcastle. Yes, that's so stupid. Eh? I don't know my own dates. Can
Dude, that's why you have Facebook and websites.
Yeah, no, yeah. The 22nd and the 23rd is in Mapatu, in Mafikeng. How do you like that for a tomato? Then I'm doing Newcastle on the 28th, then Pietermaritzburg on the 29th, and then I'll probably do Durban.
Nice.
And I'm probably going to do Bloemfontein.
Do it, dude. Right, that brings us to our final thing, and it's the question. We've got 5 double tickets for the 30th for the show on Thursday.
Yeah.
What is the question?
What does the Chinese people say about stupid questions?
Hey.
Oh, awesome. SMS your answer to 37942. Joey, it's been a great pleasure, my friend. Thank you so much for being on the show this afternoon.
Thank you guys for having me, and it was, I'm blessed. Thank you.
So thanks.
Awesome. Nicely done. That's good.
MBD TV.
Only on Jacaranda FM.
SA's best mix of the 80s, 90s, and now.